Everyone, no, this might be a very late video, but this is a very informative and trivial one. No? This is regarding the celebration of Philippine Independence Day. So last Wednesday, no, the Philippines celebrated the 126th Independence Day. No? That is regarding the Independence Day that was declared, no, on June 12, 1898. No? Kung saan iwinagayway ang watawat o ang bandila ng Pilipinas sa bahay ni President Emilio Aguinaldo, ang kauna-unahang Pangulo ng Pilipinas. No? So, idiniklara ang kalayaan o kasarinlan ng Pilipinas sa kanyang bahay doon sa Kawit, Cavite. But ano ba ang significance ng Declaration of Independence? No? So, nagdideklara ng kasarinlan o kalayaan ng isang bansa, no, matapos itong bigyan ng kalayaan ng bansang sumakop sa kanya. So on June 12, 1898, we declared independence from the Spanish colonizers. No? Pero may question sa kalayaan noong June 12, 1898. Sinasabing huwad ang kalayaan, no, na nakamit ng Pilipinas. Bakit? Kasi noong December 10, 1898, no, after signing the Treaty of Paris, ay napasailalim ang Pilipinas again sa mga mananakop na Amerikano. So we were ceded by Spain to the United States of America after the signing of Treaty of Paris. Kaya may question sa idiniklarang kalayaan noong June 12, 1898. So, kailan pa tayo nagkaroon ng kalayaan? So, July 4, 1946, the Americans gave us an independence, no, by virtue of the Philippine Independence Act, no, or the Tidings-McDuffie Law. That was after World War II in the Pacific, no, when the Americans defeated the Japanese forces. Pero, bakit ibinalik sa June 12, 1898 na sinasabing huwad na kalayaan? No? So it was in 1964 when President Diosdado Macapagal assumed the office as the President of the Republic of the Philippines mula sa original na July 4, 1946 na kalayaan na sineselebrate after the American independence, no? Ibinalik niya sa June 12, 1898 by virtue of the suggestion of the National Historical Institute. Kasi nga, very significant ang June 12, 1898 because after 333 years of Spanish colonization, ay nabigyan ng independence ang bansang Pilipinas. Kaya ganun, no, kasignificant ang June 12 bilang araw ng kalayaan o araw ng kasarinlan ng bansang Pilipinas. And that's it for today. This is Tata Historian and this is Baby Historian.